Hi everyone, Beth is here just to do a demo today, and I just wanted to show you my latest mistake. This was supposed to be neurographic painting. Well, I hated it. I thought it looked really awful. So I decided to try something I've never tried before. I took gesso, which I bet that's probably out of focus, but gesso is just this medium that you can put over something, you can paint over it, and create a surface you can paint on. It's acrylic, so you can paint acrylic over it, but you can also paint watercolor over it. Now, what I did was I decided to just try something. I mean, the painting was already ruined, in my opinion, so I decided to paint an elephant. But I thought I would paint it negatively. So the elephant will have this funky design under it, but have the rest of it in a very dark color. So I wanted to explain that first, and we'll get started on it. I'm not really sure which color to use. I have several different kinds of gouache, and I think I'm going to use gouache because it's much more opaque. And I actually think I'm just going to go ahead and use black. This is black gouache. I think this is the black. Let me see, let me make sure. I've got one that's also very dark blue. Now that's the blue. So hold on a second, I'm gonna get the black. And just, you know, just to make sure that the contrast is really there. This could turn out really weird and be a total mistake. And if it is, well, you know, it won't be the first time, and it won't be the last. So I'm just gonna take this brush out here. I don't need that one. Let's get started. We'll see what happens. Elephant. This is my way of rescuing a completely ruined painting. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill in the black wherever I can. This is gonna be kind of tedious. I may speed this up. We'll see. So there he is, my elephant, my attempt at least at saving an otherwise hopeless piece. And I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you'll give it a try. Gesso really is magical. I love it. So there you have it, Mr. Elephant. Bye.